Hello YouTube friends, welcome to my channel, the Travel Diary Lalabs edition. This is Rai Rai with my husband travel buddy Alan. We're still here in France, and this is the third part video of our travel to the city of Strasbourg. Join us as we continue to explore this beautiful city. But before we do that, please don't forget to subscribe. The Strasbourg Cathedral of Notre Dame, also known as the Cathedral of Our Lady of Strasbourg, or simply Strasbourg Cathedral, is the second most visited cathedral in France, after Notre Dame in Paris. At 142 meters, Strasbourg Cathedral was the world's tallest building from year 1647 to 1874, or 227 years, when it was surpassed by St. Nikolai's Church, Hamburg. Today, it is the sixth tallest church in the world and the highest still standing extant structure, built entirely in the Middle Ages. The Strasbourg Cathedral was originally erected in year 1015, but was later destroyed by a fire. By the time reconstruction began in the 20th century, the Gothic architectural style had begun to develop and can be seen throughout much of the church. The building was not completed until year 1439. Strasbourg is most loved by tourists, not only because of the cathedral, but also because of atmosphere in the city is unique. The streets are decked out in their finest finery, the shop windows sparkle, and the scent of cinnamon and spices evokes memories of childhood, and the whole city is transformed into an enchanting setting as preparation for the coming Christmas season. Viewed from the outside, the cathedral's facades provides one of the finest picture books of the Middle Ages that you will ever see. The hundreds of sculptures, which almost seem to leap out at you from the wall, make great use of light and shadow effects. The color of the pink sandstone changes according to the time of day and the color of the sky. On summer evenings, the lighting effects around the cathedral are simply magical to watch. Strasbourg Cathedral is an outstanding masterpiece of Gothic art. Described as a skillful combination of monumental size and delicateness by Victor Hugo, its facade offers a fantastic wealth of ornamental features. The 142-meter spire is a masterpiece of architectural elegance and intricacy. Up until the 19th century, the cathedral was the highest building in the whole of the Christian world. Strasbourg plays a major role as a business, commercial, and cultural center. Besides its traditional role as the chief city of Alsace, Strasbourg is also the seat of a number of European institutions and bodies including the European Parliament, the Council of Europe, and the European Court of Human Rights. We visited here in November, and we can already feel the festive atmosphere of the city. Strasbourg is often called the capital of Christmas, a story that reinvents itself and that has stood the test of time since year 1570. Throughout December, Strasbourg is one of the most illuminated cities in Europe. The streets, houses, windows, and balconies twinkle with lights and decorations each year, more original than the last. Strasbourg has so much to offer. It is a beautiful city, clean and safe. It is full of cafes, restaurants, and shops, and there are several canals. The European capital and the capital of Alsace, Strasbourg exudes youthfulness and energy. If you love heritage, culture, and the art of living, there's no doubt that you'll fall in love with the city. It's multicultural, enriched by its influences, forming a perfect bridge between the past and the present. We spent our time walking around and admiring the picturesque beauty of the buildings. Strasbourg is the perfect overture to all that is idiosyncratic about Alsace, walking a fine tightrope between France and Germany, and between a medieval past and a progressive future. It pulls off its act in inimitable Alsatian style. I will end my video here, but not yet the end of our travel adventure here in Strasbourg, for there's more. We will still continue exploring this magnificent place, so I'll see you in my next travel video. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, leave a comment, subscribe, and hit on that notification bell for more updates. See you on my next travel video. Bye for now.